Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I actually got something for my car. I did get some new wheels. I did buy them on Marketplace, but the person that sold them to me, he had previously sanded them down because he was planning on repainting them, but he never got to do that and he sold his car. So I'm going to be finishing up the job. I will finally be able to put some new wheels on my car. So stay tuned to see how they look at the end of the video and let's get started. These are the wheels. I'm gonna start by first cleaning them down because they are a bit dirty since I've been having them outside and they've been sitting out.
I'm gonna need some water here.
Okay guys, so now that I cleaned the wheels, I'm gonna start by sanding them down. I do have a bucket of water. I do like to wet sand because it just gets easier for me to sand them down and just get them smooth. This is my second time painting wheels. The first time I had gotten some wheels for my car, but they turned out not to fit the car, so I just sold them. From that experience, I guess I could say a little bit. I did pretty good, honestly. I did have a little bit of paint drip on them. Guess I overpainted it a little bit on certain parts. So that's a learning experience that I did. So for this one, they need to just practice more. I'm so excited to finally get new wheels for my car. I've been wanting some for a while, and I finally got the opportunity to find these on Marketplace, and they were a pretty good deal, and I couldn't pass them up. So let's get started and see how they turn out and look on my car. I started sanding with 800 grit sandpaper to remove the old clear coat and smooth out the surface. This is how the wheels turned out once I finished sanding them down. I was able to get most of the areas smooth and ready for primer.
I laid down a few light coats of primer, letting each coat dry, and this was the final result of the wheels with primer. And now they are ready for paint.
Hey guys, so it turns out that the camera's memory was full, so I did not get to record the painting process once I actually finished priming and everything, but I did end up finishing it. I just didn't get to record it. I also did have to buy some hub-centric rings for my wheel hubs because they're too small compared to the wheels to be centered correctly, and I did end up take them to a dealership I work at to get them installed. I also did buy some lug nuts just to make it look all put together and there won't be that many colors going on like it was. But I'm so excited to show y'all how they turned out. And that is it, guys. Let me know what you think of the result in the comments below. Stay tuned for the following video. See you next time.